If I now come over and look at the NQ, now the NQ is less clear. I've got this 1, then an A, B, C for this running flat here with a 5 up, and either a 2 back or an A, B, C for a B, and we're going to come down one more time, or a series of 1, 2s to the upside. It's not so clear in the NQ, but the top and bottom of it is we need to get back over 76.84 without breaching 73.16.5 in the NQ, and preferably without taking out this low right here is what I'd ideally like to see. And then for the NQ to start to play catch up in this fractal with the other indices. At the moment, we've come down, hit this 618 retrace this morning of this move up here. So again, 74.22.75 would be the ideal for it to stay well above, and ideally above this morning's low, or 74.73, this next fib down here, and then up again, and then take this out 76.37 first, and then the other peak from the 4-hour chart shortly after that. I'm looking for a move up here, 78.06 next in the NQ, but keeping a close eye on this for any sort of early signs that this impulse is not going to play out as we're anticipating. Now, the one that's picture perfect is the Dow Jones Industrial. Hit the 123.6 on Friday. Got an A, B, I think we might come down one more level to 26.563, which is the 1.0 bottom up fib, and then looking for the 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Simple as that. And it's been picture perfect all the way through off the last 2 in the Dow Jones. So I'm hoping that that continues to play out exactly according to plan. And XLI is looking exactly the same as you might imagine, and the transports have broken out new highs. So there's every indication that the industrials are going to lead on this next leg up now in the US indices.